Hello folks, it's your old pal Uncle Al. Yeah, it's been kind of busy today and I got a note from my post office on a return package from the Carolinas. And it says, return to sender unable to forward it. It was post dated May 24th, 2021. This was sent out on 11/05/20. Okay, and it says address is vacant field. So this, I think this went to Palmetto Prepared. Yep. And I think it's been tampered with because it's been opened a couple of times. And basically, it's the baby book. Nothing hostile. And it's a net, so nobody knits over his family. So I'm still keeping this. Sorry, Anthony, I thought it went to your house, but I got a note from the U.S. mail. Went to location. No residents at this address. So you're either really off grid. Unable to forward, return to sender. Okay, so like I said, it's been open already, I guess inspected and returned. And to use post office. Well, at least we tried, Anthony. Yep, we tried. I guess you don't exist. You guys have a nice day.